Hey, it's Paul from Hobby International again. Today I have a quick look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design. This one is a reprint, and I'll talk about it when I look at the thing anyway, so I won't prattle on. This is JG53 cartoon aircraft on 48 scale. Okay, so as I said, this is a design from Iliad Design, 1/48 scale, JG53 cartoon aircraft. So let's see what you get in the bag. So there's large and small decal sheets and double-sided sheet of paper. So all these aircraft are BF109G6s, R6 tropical variants, but they don't have the dust filters fitted. And they're all from Sicily in June 1943. And as you notice, all of them have like an Ace of Spades cartoon character on them. JG53 was known as basically the Ace of Spades wing, which in German it's Pick Ass, which doesn't sound awfully good in English, but there you go. Assuming I said it right, of course. This is actually a reprint of one of their first 1/48 decal sheets. I think you'll see the number at the bottom here, 48002A. The A is just to show you that it's a reprint. However, there are some changes made to this. I had a look at an online image of the first printing, and now some of the aircraft numbers have changed. And from Iliad Design, basically it's because of sort of ongoing research over the years, and they've discovered that some of the numbers needed to change. But they're all pretty unique aircraft with these sort of cartoon characters based on an Ace of Spade on them. All quite similar camouflage schemes, as you'd expect. Over the sheet we've got a standard sort of camouflage scheme. They also give you a way to do the spinner, sort of make your own masking stripe tape for the spinner. Basically, if you make it 1.5 millimeters wide, then that'll be correct for 1/48 scale. And it shows you here also fuel weighting triangle location, and I think there's another one here, oil filler location as well. And those are what's on this small decal sheet here. The main decal sheet, as you see, has all the numbers, cartoons on it. The backing film, you can't see it except for the places where you'd expect to see it. So there's nothing around the Balkenkreuzes, but you can see it inside the numbers, holding I think all the cartoon characters are on the same backing film as the appropriate number with them. So in all, pretty unique decal sheet. I think it's sold out. It's been sold out for a long time. The first printing has, so these should do well, and they'll probably disappear pretty quickly as well. Best place to get them is from Iliad Design themselves, up in Canada. But if you're in another country, check out. There may well be a local distributor that sells them in your country, and then the shipping will be cheaper. So anyway, yeah, I'll put a link to Iliad Design's website underneath. I think on their website they also have all the distributors in all the countries as well. So many thanks for Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at.